Hi, I'm Vanessa Sabeniano, and this is my episode 1. Who am I? Ako po si Vanessa Sabeniano ulit, and I live here in Albay. I'm an entrepreneur for a decade and more, and I'm a medtech by profession. I'm a Christian, and my favorite sport so far by now is running. Okay. Why this channel? Alam nyo ba, ang tagal kong pinag-isipan mag-start nito. Pandemic pa lang talaga. Nakabili na ako ng mga mic, mga tripod, pero hindi ko ginawa. Bumili pa ako ng cellphone na maganda para lang ma-capture yung sarili ko. Pero nakailang palit na ako, hindi pa rin nangyayari. So sabi ko, when should be the right when kailan ko 'to gagawin, 'di ba? So, gawin ko na kahit hindi naman ako gano'n ka-expert, gawin ko lang. Kasi lahat naman tayo may kuwento, 'di ba? Me, I'm an entrepreneur. I lead people. I Ako, personally, I am always, analyzing myself, checking kung saan pa mas magiging better ako sa iba't ibang aspect ng life ko. So, I'm here proactively for the people who wants to get their life better, who wants to steward their life, their body, their blessings better. So, after ako dun, sa mga taong ganon. Ganon ka rin ba? And ang story ko, umiikot ako most of the time sa entrepreneurship. Yan. At leading people, getting myself, especially every aspect of my life, lalo na yung spiritual, physical, mental health ko, emotional, in check. So, ang dami kong inaaral, ang dami ko ring hindi inaaral kasi may mga bagay tayong na-catch na alam ko hindi dapat natin ang tinutuloy kasi it's not good for ourselves. So, anong binibuild ko? What I'm building right now is a channel where I can share my stories, my learnings, and the things that inspires me, and the insights that sparks in my mind. I love to share it with you. So I'm here because gusto ko nga maging better tayo, one step at a time. And my biggest lesson so far, narinig ko to at kaninang umaga, ang ganda ng verse na nabasa ko. Sabi dun sa Ephesians 3:20, "Now, to Him who is able to do immeasurably more than we all ask or imagine, according to His power that is at work within us." So the Lord is working in us. Ang ganda nun, di ba? Ano lang dapat natin gawin if the Lord is working in us? We have to cooperate. We have the will, the strength, the talent to do it. Ibigay natin yun, gawin natin yun. And let the Lord do immeasurably more than we ask. So, yun lang din yung ang aking pinangahawakan, yung lesson ko so far, na if may pinapagawa sa'yo, gawin mo lang. Partner with God. Ako, Lord, sorry, at tagal ko na dapat tong ginawa, pero hindi ko ginagawa. Ang dami ko nang nabasang narinig na mga encouragement na gawin mo na tong channel because kailan pa, di ba? So, ngayon ko siya gagawin. Ikaw rin, malay mo, ito rin yung pagtawag sa'yo. So, let the Lord do His work in us. What you can expect here, so yun nga, kwento, sharing, mga insights, mga sparks in the mind na pagkabasa ko, "Ooh, I think someone wants to hear this." Mga ganong moment. Ito yung mga i-she-share natin dito. Sabi ko nga, because we want ourselves to be better. We are analyzing ourselves, saan pa ba ako pwedeng mas maging okay, mas maging better dito? Alam ko laging may ganong tanong. Ako rin ganon. So kung ganon ka, welcome here. So who this channel is for the people who wants to get their life better. Mapa physical fitness man yan, spiritual things, business, leadership. Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Gustong-gusto ko yan. Ang channel na to ay hindi naman, it's not, ano bang hindi ito? Wala masyadong sigurong entertaining or prank or flexing. Yun, mukhang hindi ako yun. Dito tayo more on challenging the mind, renewing the mind, sharing the truths in our life, and mga ganung bagay. So, yun yung promise ko sa inyo na we will together build ourselves. What habits should I cultivate? What are the things na wag ko nang gawin? What are the misconceptions? Ano yung mga nag-work sa akin? Yan yung mga pag-usapan natin. Ang promise ko, magiging with the Lord's help, let us be better. Sabi ko nga, 50-50 lagi yan eh. We have to give half. The other half will come from us. Galingan mo, ayusin mo, cooperate with the Lord, and the other half, ang Lord nang bahalang kumilos doon. Yun yung gagawin natin. We will partner with the Lord kasi ang gusto rin naman niya maging better tayo eh. Better steward of everything that He has entrusted us. Why I'm documenting this? Bakit hindi? Sayang eh. Sayang yung mga story. Sayang yung mga insights kung hindi natin to i-share, kung mag-stay lang ito sa atin, di ba? Malay mo, kailangan mo rin pala nito. Kaya I'm here to inspire, to share, and maybe someday we can talk to each other, no? So that we could learn and we could do life together kahit dito lang tayo nagkakilala. My vision is for anyone who happens to come across this video to realize that there is another version of them that is waiting. They just have to realize it. And let the Lord work in our lives as we realize na, oo nga no, may hindi pa pala ako napapolish sa life. May kailangan pa pala akong i-deal. Yan. So if you're on the same journey like me, welcome! This is our first episode and sana magkita pa tayo kasi marami pa tayong pag-uusapan. Bye! See ya!